Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, which make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past.
Today we're gonna build a house behind this shop, and today's project, we got all the forms sitting here ready to go. I'm using I'm gonna use AccuFooting, which is they're like these. They work really well. Right here I'm using the Stabilla 350 laser to go around and check all the form boards after I'm done. And you know, you get it as close as you can, and then you go around and really fine tune it. And there was a spot in this corner that was a little high that needed lowered down. But basically what I do is I go around the whole thing and just really get it dialed in. After I get all the forms kind of set exactly where I want, and they're nice, I know they're nice and level, I get the Stabilla 180, and this enables me to basically check the square, make sure this thing is really square by myself. So I don't need anybody. I can just start on one end and basically square this thing up by myself. I have to basically set this tripod off on 2 different corners, but it works really well. Here you can see I'm setting it up on a different corner, and basically this will enable me to go down the line. When you set this laser up, this Stabilla 180, you basically can put this right where you want it, and the laser will come to that. And then basically once you push that button, it's locked into that spot, and then you can go to the other corner of the building and it's square. Once I knew everything was square and level, it was time to pour. And right here we're using a big crane truck, and I've got him parked up on this other, up on this ledge right here above the house foundation. And he wasn't quite long enough to reach, which was kind of a bummer. We ended up having to use the skid steer. Right here you can see they're pumping cement into the skid steer bucket because it wasn't quite long enough to go to the outer, probably about 15 feet, it wouldn't reach on the outside edge. However, with a few trips with the skid steer, we were able to get it all filled up, and all was well, except for the rain that came in. And luckily it firmed up pretty good, so it didn't hurt it too bad. Anyway, that was a little demonstration of how to use the Stabilla laser, the 350, and also the squaring laser, the Stabilla 180. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, which make my life more simple.